it's funny because like all your friends are like different in a sense of like where you pull from, if that makes sense. So like with Jason's like the old head, right? Cletus and Aaron are like the old heads. You kind of like when you need to quick in and out. You know what I mean? You don't take too much of their time. Dean got just about as many kids as I do, right? And Oscar and stuff like that. So then those are folks that I talk to when we talk about navigating with kids, around our age and stuff like that. And then just me and you, man, like whatever the fuck we talk about.
I mean, but then they can still help, bro.
Oh, for sure, bro. I need all those conversations.
I need all of them. I need all the answers to the crazy stuff that's going on in my life. Like, bro, how are you navigating Dino? I was like, Dean, how are you navigating two little monsters running around and running your business? Because he works from home.
Bro, you see how I had to get to the hub real quick.
But you got to get to the hub. I only have one of them, and I'm like freaking out. Like Zeno, bro, you gotta chill. Oh, you gotta chill.